Yes. Exercise 5.2. Question number 15. In this question, two APs are given. In this question, two APs are given. And which term of both APs will be equal? We have to find out. First AP is 63, 65, 67 and so on. I am observing that this AP is increasing by 2 and second AP is
खाली है ये पर स्टार्ट इंटू बना
3, 10, 70. Okay, 3, 10, 70. And second AP is increasing by 7. Now we have to find out which term of both APs are equal. दोनों AP की कौन सी टर्म इक्वल होगी? We have to find out. Now in first AP, what is A? First term.
Two 60.
Very good. What is common difference? Common difference is
Two.
yes. A2 minus A1. What is A2?
65.
65 minus 63. That is 2. In second AP, what is B?
3, sir.
3. What is common difference? D dash. B2
Common
minus
difference is 7.
B2 minus B1.
7.
Okay. And 10 minus 3.
Yes.
That is 7. Okay. Now we consider that nth term of both APs are equal. भाई जो फर्स्ट AP है उसकी nth टर्म और जो सेकंड AP है उसकी nth टर्म विल बी इक्वल्स. अब यहाँ पे आप सोच रहे होंगे कि सर nth टर्म की बात कर रहे हो आप, तो यहाँ पे आप देखिए 63, 65, 67 ये 2 2 से इंक्रीज हो रही है, 3, 10 और 70 ये 7 से इंक्रीज हो रही है. तो ऐसी टर्म जैसे आपके पास 13 या 15 या 16 ऐसी टर्म कोई ना कोई आएगी जो बोथ एपीज की इक्वल होगी. ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. आई एम कंसीडरिंग दैट nth टर्म ऑफ बोथ एपीज आर इक्वल. ओके. let nth term of both APs are equal. Okay. Yes. AN is equal to BN. Nth term of first AP is equal to nth term of second AP. What is AN?
Second group.
What is AN?
A plus n minus 1 d.
Very good. Shreya, very good. A plus n minus 1 into D. BN?
B plus
B plus n minus 1 into
D.
D dash. Because common difference of both APs are different. So we will represent it by D dash. Okay.
Yes, sir. So we will represent it.
Okay. Now we will find out the value of n. In first AP, A is 63 and D is 2. A is 63 and minus 1 and D is 2. In second AP, first term is 3 and common difference is 7.
3.
Any doubt, any problem? No problem. 63 twice of n minus 2. 3 7 and minus 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find out the value of n. So transfer the value of n in one side and the constant term in the another side. 63 minus 2 minus 3 plus 7 7n minus 2n. 63 plus 7 70 minus 5, that is 5n. It means 65 divided by 5 is equal to n.
30.
30. Therefore 13th term of both APs are equals. Okay. 13th term of both APs are equal. Divya Singh. Question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. A third term is A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 16. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
In the second statement, seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term exceeds means more. Seventh term exceeds by fifth term by 12. How can we equalize it? Please tell me.
So we'll add 12 with A, fifth term of A.
Oh, very good. Yes, Shreya, very good. Seventh term of AP is 12 more than fifth
A
term.
plus 6.
To equalize it, we will add 12 in fifth terms. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now A7 can be written as A7 can be written as
A plus 3 plus 6.
A plus 6D. A plus 4D plus 12. A to A cancel out. Now 6D minus 4D is equal to 12 and twice of D is equal to 12 and D is equal to 12 divided by 2. D is equal to 6. D is equal to 6.
6.
D is equal to 6. Now what is the value of A? From equation first. Now we will put the value of D is equal to 6 in equation first and find out the value of A. A plus 2D is equal to 16. plus 2d is equal to 16.
That is 4.
Okay. Now the value of a, we have to find out. Value of d is 6 and that is 16.
It is 4.
Okay. 2 6 are 12, 16, and the value of a is 16 minus 12. A is equal to 4. Okay. Now a is 4, d is 6. Determine the AP. Determine the AP. General form of AP is general terms of AP.
A plus D, A plus 2D.
Of an AP. B. A plus D, A plus 2D,
So the terms would be
A
4,
plus
10, 16, 22.
and so on. Okay. What is A?
So we have to find it with only 12 terms, like 4 terms, right?
3 terms, dot dot dot, 4 terms, dot dot dot, no problems. And A is 4, A plus D, 4 plus 6 10, and 4 plus 2 into D is 6. Okay. 4 plus 3 into 6. Now it becomes 4,
So 4,
10,
10, 16,
12 plus 4, 16, and 18, 22, and so on. And so on. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
सभी को समझ आ रहा है?
No.
Okay. Nth term from the end. Nth term from the last term या from the end. Term from the end. Okay. Now L1. L1 means first term from the end. First term from the end. L is the last term minus 1 minus 1 into D. L2. Second term from the end. L minus 2 minus 1 into D. Okay. L3 means third term from the end. L is the last term. 3 minus 1 into D. And so on. Ln. Nth term from the end. Please tell me the formula.
So L minus N minus
Into D.
3.
Okay, this is the formula to find the nth term from the end. Last term.
L minus N minus 1 into D.
And nth term from the first term, starting term. What is the nth term? Nth term from the first term. What is the formula?
So that's An is equal to A minus N minus 1.
Listen to me. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. ये फार्मूला क्या है और ये फार्मूला क्या है? इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है?
ये फॉर्मूला है ना सर, जो कॉमन फॉर्मूला है सर।
कॉमन फार्मूला क्या है?
ये जो माइनस साइन है ये डी का है।
ये जो फार्मूला है,
क्योंकि डी
लिसन टू मी, ये जो फार्मूला है हम एंड टर्म से, लास्ट की टर्म से कोई टर्म निकाल रहे हैं। ये जो फार्मूला है फर्स्ट टर्म से कोई टर्म फाइंड आउट करने हैं, फर्स्ट टर्म से। क्या स्वास्थी? स्वास्थी?
यस सर।
हाँ, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग?
सर आउट है
हाँ, पूछिए।
सर।
यस।
सर मैं कह रही थी कि ये जो माइनस साइन है एन के बाद
हाँ
वो डी का साइन है क्योंकि ए अगर फर्स्ट टर्म से लेते हैं तो डी बढ़ रहा है और अगर लास्ट टर्म से लेते हैं तो डी माइनस में हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो ऑपोजिट साइड जा रहा है। और सर मेरा भी एक डाउट
नहीं नहीं नहीं, देखो एल माइनस कर रहे हैं ना, एल माइनस में कर रहे हैं तो वापिस जा रहे हैं, ए प्लस कर रहे हैं तो हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
यस सर
हाँ ए प्लस कर रहे हैं तो हम आगे की तरफ जा रहे हैं, मूव कर रहे हैं, एल माइनस कर रहे हैं तो पीछे की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं। हाँ यस प्रगति।
यस सर सर मेरा डाउट ये है
हाँ स्पीक, आस्क मी।
सर
यस
आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है।
हाँ सर यहाँ पे ए एन वाला फॉर्मूला है ए प्लस एन माइनस वन।
हाँ यस,
तो इस फॉर्मूले में सर ये फर्स्ट टर्म भी कैसे फाइंड करें? इसमें तो और भी टर्म्स फाइंड नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फाइंड करेंगे।
listen to me, I am giving you an examples, wait, have you done, have you done?
यस सर।
Okay yes, question number 17, find the 20th term from the last term of AP. The given AP is AP is 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. 253 is the last term and we have to find out 20 term from the end. हमने क्या करना है, एंड से 20 टर्म फाइंड आउट करनी है. व्हाट विल बी द 20 टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज एल? लास्ट टर्म इज 253, एन इज 20, D is A2 minus A1.
5
Yes, 8 minus 3, 5.
8 minus 3 5.
Yes. Now 20 term from the end. 20 term from the end. From the end. Okay. L minus n minus 1 into D. What is L? 253 minus 20 minus 1 and D is 5. Any doubt, any problem? Two 53 minus 19 into 5. 253 minus 95. 13 minus 5, 8 and 14 minus 9, 5, 158. 158. Any doubt, any problem?
No sir.
The given AP is 3, 8, 13 dash 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 253. Rewrite the given AP in reverse order. That is 253 dash dash 13, 8 and 3. So the first term is 253. Common difference is 8 minus 13, that is minus 5. Now we will find out the 20 term from the first term. A20, A plus 19D. The value of A is 253 plus 19 into minus 5 and 19 5s are 95. Now 253 minus 95 is equal to 158. The sum of fourth and eighth term of AP. The sum of fourth term and eighth term. Sum of fourth and eighth term is 24. Okay. Fourth term can be written as a plus 3D. Very good. A8 a plus 7D 24. Now a plus a 2a, 3D plus 7D 10D, that is 24. Now 2 is common, a plus 5D 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 to 12. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Equation first. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Equation first. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, yes.
No, sir.
Now second statement is sixth and 10th term sum is 44. Sixth term A6
Sir, please.
and 10th term A10.
Please above.
Do it. A plus 5D, A10, A plus 9D, 44. A plus A, twice of A, 5D plus 9D, 14D is equal to 44. 2 is common, A plus 7D is equal to 44. 2 ones are 2, 2 is 22. A plus 7D is equal to 22. Second equation. Find the first three term of AP. Now we will solve the two equation. A plus 5D is equal to 12, first equation, and A plus 7D is equal to 22. We will find out the value of A and D, and we will form an AP. A plus 5D is equal to A plus 5D is equal to 12. First equation, A plus 7D is equal to 22. Second equation, find out the value of A and D. Minus, plus sign change into minus sign, and plus sign change into minus sign. That is cancel out. Minus 2D minus 10. D is equal to 5. D is equal to 10 divided by 2. D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. Putting D is equal to 5 in equation first and find out the value of A. Putting D is equal to 5 in equation first. Okay. A plus 7D is equal to 22. A plus 7D is equal to 22. A. D is 5, 22. A. 35, 22. A. 22 minus 35. That is minus 30. A is minus 30, D is 5. And first three term of AP becomes A minus 13.
The first three terms of AP would be minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3.
Very good, very good, very good. Yes, first three term of an AP. B. A plus D, A plus 2D. What is A? Minus 13. Minus 13. D is D 5
5.
plus 5. Minus 13. 2 into 5. Minus 13. Minus 8. Minus 30 plus 10. It becomes minus 30, minus 8 and minus 3. Okay? Any doubt, any problem? No problem?
No, sir. No, sir.